Howdy, this is my 1962 Chevy delivery van. I recently got a spare tire for it. Now I need to mount it. I did not see any hardware to mount a spare tire, nor could I find anything in my manual or online. Guess I'll need to make something. I YouTubed and saw several kinds of videos. A bunch mounting to the door hardware on the outside, which I didn't want. I saw some using a trailer spare tire mount on the interior wall. My favorite was a bracket made for the Toyota Sequoia. It had a kind of tray to hold the bottom of the tire in place, and a side bracket and more hardware. I was thinking of making something from scratch on that principle. So as I am holding the tire in place and scanning and calculating in my brain, my eyes caught some D-clips I installed before for hold downs. What if I install another D-clip directly on the other side of the tire? What if, instead of making a bracket and spacing bolts and coming up with nuts that I could remove without special tools, I just used a simple ratchet strap, and it would still work if I changed tire size? Well, this holds it pretty secure. Maybe not for the Baja 500. Maybe I will build one at a later time, but for my needs right now, this will be just fine. Thanks for watching.